Hi, you guys. It's that time of the day again, Magic with Grandpa. But we're changing the name of the show now to Science, Math, and Magic with Grandpa. Because sometimes science is so mysterious, it's hard to explain. But it always has a reason. And we're going to do one of those today because it's something you might be able to do. Grandpa's got a cork. If you look, I've got a pin in that cork. This cork's kind of wobbly. I can't even balance it. Well, I can even barely balance it. Certainly not with this pin on my finger. But let's see if we can make it what we call more stable. I'm going to put some extra weight. I'm using it with forks. And don't you do this. You have to do this with the help of Daddy, because even Grandpa had to make a cut in these corks to be able to get these forks to fit inside. And let's see how this works. I got one on that side. I've got one on this side. And we see when you put these stabilizers out, you've probably seen guys like walking a tightrope that have a big long stick. Well, that big long stick makes the center of where their gravity is real low, because now look. Look at that. It balances easily on my finger. I can even wiggle it around. I can even bump it a little bit. Look at this. And don't you drink any whiskey either. This is just as a demonstration. If I put this on top, look at that. It's like a mobile. I can blow on it. And it still doesn't topple over. Because the center of gravity, where all the weight would be, if you could pick one spot and put all the weight in that one spot, it would be below where it's resting. And that's what makes it stable. Because if it was way up here, it would be topple over. Just like if you carry something heavy way up in the air, it's going to be hard for you to hold it. But if you hold it down low, it's a lot easier and a lot more stable. And that's why when something like a cat gets scared, what does it do? It crouches down because it's more stable when it's lower. Its center of gravity is lower. Anyway, that's something you can do with your dad. And remember, I love you, my little Monroe. And I love you, my little but getting bigger Marcus. And I love you, my tiny Hugo, who's getting bigger also. Grandpa's the only one that's getting smaller. I love you. See you tomorrow for some more science.